Noot bioorganic plant food is a robust organic fertilizer that contains all the macro and micronutrients that plants of all types need to stay alive and thriving. Let's quickly go over how to use Noot, and I'll share some best practices so you can get started feeding your hungry plants today. Noot has been formulated to be used whenever you need to water. With normal fertilizers, you'll often need to understand complex doses and dilutions for the different plants that you own. Each watering, you'll be mixing 1 teaspoon per half gallon of water. Distilled or purified water is preferred, but not essential. For those who have a measuring syringe, pull the plunger back and fill the entire cylinder. You can also use regular measuring spoons. We've included measurements for every 1 teaspoon on the back of each vial, which you can use to measure when adding Noot to water. Simply remove the lid, then remove the stopper, turn the tube upside down, and tap the bottom of the tube to drip out what you need, till you reach the next marker. Put your lid back on, shake well, and water your plant when needed. All plants are different, so be sure to figure what watering schedule is ideal for each plant, especially when combining your general climate, pot size, drainage, and the growing medium they are in. All of these factors will determine the best watering schedule for each plant. Noot contains 18 powerful strains of rhizobacteria, along with its full nutritional complex. These powerful strains of microbes transform your growing medium. With just watering, microbes start to build a mutually beneficial relationship with the roots, just like in nature. Roots use these microbes to access a full range of organic nutrition, and plants exchange glucose for their help. Whether you're growing in our soilless Noot mix, semi-hydro, or other traditional soil mixes, you'll use the same dosage. After a few waterings, you may consider doubling the dosage for larger plants, and then you can gauge the response. Noot was designed to be simple and straightforward. Use it every watering when the plant needs watering. When watering, be sure to use Noot on the entire growing medium. Don't just water underneath the stem. Give it a thorough soaking and allow excess water to drain out as much as possible. A heat pad typically aids in root growth, but it's optional. Higher humidity levels for most houseplants are typically positive, as most indoor plants are home to mostly tropical regions. Light is important to growth. Too much or too little will slow down your growth or harm your plant's health. Be sure to consult with the best practices for lighting your different plants. In our experience, Noot performs best when root systems have room to breathe. Roots do not like being suffocated. It's best not to push down on your soil and to have suitable drainage for your pot. We developed our Noot mix, which is a unique blend of coconut husks, chips, fibers, and core, blended with coarse perlite, which works great for almost all plants, especially if you have overwatering issues or slow growth. Noot works well as a foliar spray. Mix it as normal and spray on both sides of leaves. Those are the basics of using Noot bioorganic plant food. Use 1 teaspoon for every half gallon of water. Whenever your plants are thirsty, give them a drink. Be sure to post your plant progress on social media so we can follow along. Tag us at GrowWithNoot. And for more information, visit our website at growwithnoot.com.